this is an opportunity for, not just for Summersalt, we believe, but it is an opportunity for the state of Meghalaya. As you are aware that, you know, the Summersalt as a music troupe, as a folk fusion music troupe in Shillong, will have this opportunity to travel to 3 countries in Europe. That is Germany, Denmark and Switzerland. So I will just take about a few minutes to brief you, and then if there are questions of any kind, then you can ask either one of us. And we also have a treat for you, because this will be a press conference with a difference, because we've got a song to sing, especially to the friends in the media, and by that, you know, everyone will perhaps get to hear. So let me also brief that we have sent the press release from Summersalt side, number 1. We have also shared a press release that the Consulate General in Hamburg, because this wouldn't have happened if it was not because of his support. His name is Mr. John Ruanwul. He's also from the Northeast. In fact, he is from Manipur. So this is a Northeast contingent led, by Summersalt. Therefore, led by Meghalaya. Okay. So the press release, if you have the chance to look through it, you will see that Summersalt is going there because of the India Week Hamburg 2021. So that is some sort of an event where the Indian diaspora come together to explore, and build the relationship between the 2 countries. And we will be performing predominantly in Germany. But there will be a city in Denmark that we will also be performing, and there will be one city perhaps in Switzerland that we will also be performing. And I will give you the details. The details, which is already part of the press release. The first one will be in Bremen in Germany. That will be on the 6th of November. And the second one will be in Hamburg in Germany. That will be at the India Week Hamburg 2021. And this will be actually at the office of the Consul General in Hamburg. The third one will be on the 12th of November in Hanover. And the fourth one will be in Hamburg again on the 14th of November. And this is a theater which I'm going to give this time to Greg to brief you more about what this theater is all about. And then after that, we come to 15th of November. We will be performing at Horsens in Denmark. That's the name of the city, Horsens in Denmark. And then we end with another show in Hamburg, which is the Hard Rock Cafe Hamburg. And I'd like Greg to come in and just brief a bit about these 2 flagship venues, which is Kamnegel and Hard Rock Cafe in Hamburg.
Yeah, hi guys. Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you so much for coming to this press conference. It is indeed a privilege, like Bakit has said, for us to represent Meghalaya and represent this whole Northeast contingent to be a part of the India Week in Hamburg, but also for Summersalt to have these shows. Kamnegel is a theater in Hamburg that has been there for so many years. I think it was established in the 20s, and it's also Germany's biggest independent performance arts theater. So they have a lot of things that they curate there besides music shows as well. They've got theater, they have exhibits, they have a lot of things that they curate throughout the year. And so it's quite a huge opportunity for us to be able to represent India and represent Meghalaya and represent the Khasi community there and play our music in Kamnegel. And then Hard Rock Cafe, I think everyone knows Hard Rock Cafe. It's one of the most prestigious franchisees in the world. I think there's one in Guwahati as well, and there's a lot of Hard Rock Cafes all over India. But Hard Rock Cafe Hamburg has hosted quite a number of artists in the past, artists of international repute, and it's again a big opportunity for us to be playing there. So these are the two shows that Summersalt will be performing independently, not having anything to do with the India Week Hamburg. Yeah, so that's with the two shows that we have.
Dengan syukran kendiat nak terima kasih. Kini kedai kabuk share ya kaban Summersalt, badru ya kasti tungi hibro kowe namar. Habang ini ceti kamut bangi sugai ban syutem ban cuan no konkut komto nrei ni don ru ka jingkit kri ban yatho khana ya kani ka jinglong jingman hangi hari kasi jungi ka jing itanat jong kari kasi kiksha ki bano rumpum ki kini jingking ding try ki ba simpor ki snem di spa snem ba kin long kum tu ki long daga jing tre sitom jong ki brio jong itu ki than nakade hamon nong hanoriat ada ki we ki mau kornot bat kum ta ter ini thu khana gitu ini thu khana yo ya ka turmai le sing ini thu khana ya yo shinrai na nakadong ini thu khana ya ka rindia ini thu khana ya ka sora ini thu khana ya ikini ki jing itanat jong ka ri khasi te kata ka de ka jingmot pat ka jingmot ko long ba hakawai ka sngi dalakham lat nau ni covid mot ba kita ki brio na sithiru kin thwa kan wan skini ki ri ban ku jat ri si jongi khanang ba kanong ke ek ba smutanat ka bidei bat ka tourism ha ka bidei bat ka culture te kandon kata ka jingya jan bat ki brio Europe te idei ta I jingmot namar ba phi ha kini ki snam ki baralet te jing wan jong ki tourist ki nong jong